아프가니스탄에서 임무를 진행 중인 미 특수요원들. 이곳은 테러리스트 때문에 늘 골칫거리였는데
Come on, pretty boy. A couple more hours, we'll be out of here.
He hasn't primed it. Jake, protocol, man. All clear. Damn it, Jake. He was priming it for us.
그렇게 무사히 임무가 끝난 줄 알았던 순간 숨어있던 적들의 기습이 시작되었고 이곳은 순식간에 아수라장으로 변하고 말았죠. 위기의 상황 속 주인공 제이크가 활약했고 그는 자신의 상관 메이슨 대령과 함께 이곳에서 탈출할 수 있었습니다. 그로부터 5년의 시간이 흘렀고 제이크는 삼촌의 정비소에서 평범한 일상을 보내고 있었죠.
Miss Martinez.
I hope my car is ready.
Your car. Go in and see Jake. He'll take care of you.
There's 3 cars ahead of her. I'm moving as fast as I can, man. I'll have a car ready in 20 minutes just for you.
퇴근 후 집으로 돌아온 제이크.
Hey, Dad.
Let's go see that beautiful mom of yours.
그에게는 사랑하는 가족이 있었는데
Hey. They good?
Long. Those came today.
Yes.
사실 제이크의 형편은 그리 넉넉지 못했고
Hey. We'll push through this.
Who were the other guys with you again?
There's Evan, Pete, and Will.
You're getting tired.
비록 넉넉지 않아도 그는 가족으로 인해 행복한 삶을 살고 있었죠.
Good night, Dad.
Good night, son.
다음날 또다시 출근길에 나선 제이크. 그런데 가게에는 낯선 남자들이 보였고
Can I help you, gentlemen?
Your grandpa. That he needs to get with the fucking program.
이들은 전혀 대화가 통하지 않았죠.
Get you, white boy. Round 1. Round 2. I'ma see you soon.
생각보다 순순히 물러나는 악당들.
I don't know what that was all about.
You know, I had another life before this shop here. I was fortunate enough to walk away from the money business, other people's. That's how I got the money to put this together. Find something that I never had in my whole life, a home. I mean, I know everybody. I know everybody who grew up here.
Hey, man, this is my house, too. I know, man. I just worry about you. Because they will be back.
This fucking block's my home, and this is my house.
They threatened him, but you know how hard-headed he is.
Wesley?
Yeah.
Just put him on.
I'll see you tonight for some ice cream, all right?
Okay, Dad.
Man, I love you.
그렇게 퇴근 후 집으로 돌아왔는데
Hola, amigo. That's a bitch. Have a nice day.
그가 집에 돌아왔을 땐 이미 가족들은 싸늘한 주검이 되어 있었습니다.
If there's anything you can tell us to help track this guy down, I'd appreciate it. Look, we're gonna do Hey, Mr. Atherton, where's he going?
그는 복수심에 사로잡히게 되고 곧바로 악당들이 있는 장소로 찾아왔습니다. 제이크의 속도 모르고 이곳에서 여자랑 노닥거리고 있던 악당들.
Look, I didn't mean to kill your wife. I had to. You don't understand, man.
그는 무언가 더 할 말이 있어 보였으나 제이크는 망설임 없이 방아쇠를 당겼습니다. 제이크는 살인죄로 체포되어 교도소에 수감되었고 5개월 만에 누군가 그를 찾아왔는데
5 minutes.
바로 메이슨 대령이었죠.
They're treating you well in here. I'm working on that.
Yeah, don't bother.
Okay. I'm really sorry for what they did to your family. But it gets better with time, Jake. Can't see that now, but you will. Well, you can say anything you want, Jake.
The 2 people I love most are gone.
And I have zero remorse.
Then do me a favor.
Don't come back.
큰 상처를 입고 세상에 대한 마음을 완전히 닫아버린 제이크. 그런데 잠시 후 또 다른 남자가 면회를 왔는데
Cuffs off, please. Thanks, Ed. Why so glum? I could really get to just about anybody.
And who are you?
I'm the best thing that's ever happened to you. I run a small private task force.
I'm my dose of dickheads for the day.
램지의 제안마저 거절하고 돌아가는 제이크. 그런데 그날 밤
Stay hydrated.
I highly suggest you take it.
CIA?
No, we don't publicize ourselves the way I've been watching you from special forces. Honorably discharged, seamen and murdered both of them. Turned your whole world upside down. We don't play by the same rules they do. Killing a guy like Fresh means you gotta spend the rest of your life behind. Did they ever even put you in that cage instead of giving you a goddamn? Doesn't mean your life is over. You can live your life again. I can give you that.
결국 제이크는 램지의 제안을 받아들이기로 합니다.
You want to tell me where we're at?
Section 8.
How was your flight, Mr. Atherton? But I see you've met Mueller now, too. Welcome to Section 8.
How you doing?
You've heard of secret government agencies, right? We take our orders from the State Department and the NSA. We've been sanctioned to eliminate any threats anywhere in the world. Accompany you on any and all assignments as you gain seniority. Provide you with a backstory and an alias for the outside world.
What about them?
Intelligence operatives will be putting you through the initiation process.
Let's get you settled in. Huh?
Can't wait.
제이크는 이곳에서 신고식을 치러야 했고
It's fear. He doesn't belong here, guys.
So don't start pointing fingers at me when he kicked your ass.
No, fuck that shit.
다음날 제이크는 곧바로 임무에 투입되었고
Your target is Alejandro Castillo. He recently came across some DOJ desperately wants recovered, and he will have several of his armed guards. All POIs are to be eliminated.
So we're assassins, huh?
We're whatever we're ordered to be.
둘은 남거래가 이루어지는 현장으로 향했고
What do you see?
9, maybe 10 guards.
Are you not coming?
Castillo, give me what they came here for. What is this, Castillo?
제이크의 총소리에 거래 현장은 아수라장이 되었죠. 거래자들은 서로를 믿지 못하고 총격전을 펼쳤습니다.
Your ass, Jake. We've got to get Castillo before they do.
Fuck you. What exactly about eliminate all did
You got what you asked for, right? We're here, the job is done. What more do you need to know?
Maybe it's best I just throw you back into that jail cell. You're a man of conviction. That's why you're here.
아무리 비밀 조직이라지만 무고한 인질마저 사살하는 것이 명령이었죠.
Just keep an eye on him.
Your golden boy screwed up. He left witnesses, sir.
Get me Locke.
Excuse me, ladies.
Get up. Get out. You.
Ramsey sent you. We can work something out. Just give me a number.
섹션 8에서도 최강의 킬러로 활동 중인 로크.
Got a male suspect heading towards the front door.
Move.
Okay.
Want some company? Vodka straight up.
Oof, straight for the big stuff. Ramsey. What's his story?
Who knows?
How did you get involved with Section 8?
My commanding officer reprimanded me not to see that.
Remind me never to fuck with you, Miss Muller. My wife drank vodka.
I'm sure it's not something you can easily get over.
This is the next piece of the puzzle. Senator Jim Graham.
We're assassinating a state senator.
Oh, don't let the job title.
심지어 이번 미션은 의원을 제거하는 것이었고
He's rich. Private contractors, top of the line.
Thank you very much. Too kind. Thank you very much. Thank you. It was with one promise. Take back America. Let's get this shit done, all right? Let's make it happen.
Security breach. Alert.
This way, sir.
If they're onto us, they made us.
이번 임무에선 정보를 빼돌리는 것뿐만이 아니라 타겟까지 제거하는 것이 목표였는데 위기를 감지한 타겟이 도주를 시도했고 제이크는 포기하지 않고 타겟을 쫓아가기 시작합니다.
Please, have a family.
제이크가 또다시 고민하던 그 순간
We don't hesitate.
임무가 진행될수록 그는 회의감을 느꼈습니다. 그런데 그날 밤 괴한들이 그를 급습했고 탈출에 성공한 제이크는 메이슨 대령을 찾아갔습니다. 그는 자신을 노리는 자들이 섹션 8이라는 걸 단번에 느낄 수 있었고
How can I help?
Section 8. You ever hear of him?
Disgraced CIA, FBI, very well connected, the highest levels in
You
Washington.
ever hear of a guy named Ramsey?
No, Section 8 is after you. You got some serious problems, soldier.
I need money and a gun.
메이슨의 지원을 받고 도주를 시도하는 제이크.
Mr. Mr. Atherton, why don't you just come on in and we can talk about it?
This job, you can't hesitate.
Make the call.
We are tracking him. Ramsey, we will find Jake.
I'm sure you will. It'll be interesting to see who finds him first.
Better hope he doesn't find you first.
Slock?
We need you.
로크가 제이크를 발견하기까지는 오랜 시간이 걸리지 않았죠.
Sorry, man.
Gun down!
로크의 추격은 끝나지 않았고
He's gone. I lost him. I'll find him and I'll finish the job. All right, have I ever let you down before?
그리고 그날 밤
You have a beautiful family. That's a shame. My reputation dictates that that job needs to be finished. We're done.
하지만 섹션 8의 추격은 끝나지 않았습니다.
Hey, we got company.
And no fucking prisoners.
이번에 나타난 적은 섹션 8의 전 동료들이었고
Got you,
I think you're out. I'm out. Now let's fuck.
Ever since I met you, I've had this. Come on.
Stop.
그를 도와준 건 다름 아닌 뮬러였고
Come on, Jake, we gotta get out of here.
I love it.
Why didn't you try and kill me back there?
Because maybe I won't out of Section 8 as much as...
I'm just having a hard time trusting anyone. Where is Ramsey now?
There's no coffee shop or drive-thrus along the way.
You should go back, Liza.
Jake, I'm here now.
그런데 사실 이는 함정이었죠.
Sorry, Jake. I had to bring you here somehow.
So why am I here? Why haven't you killed me yet?
그때 이곳에 메이슨 대령이 나타났고
What are you doing here, Colonel? This was you? All of this was you? My wife, my kid, my boy.
That one's on me.
I gave you a second chance at life in Afghanistan. What'd you do with it? Sorry. You just wouldn't listen.
We'll just leave you here with your thoughts. Won't be long. I say we take him out. Did you check? Count it.
Let's do this.
Excuse me, right back.
Fuck you want?
Of course, that had nothing to do with having your family, Jake. I was contracted to bring down Section 8. The plan has changed. Now we're gonna have to end this.
Well, let's fucking end this.
You gotta be kidding me.
이렇게 제이크와 메이슨은 힘을 합쳐 섹션 8을 제거하려 했고
Fucking double cross me? Okay, well, what do you want, At?
I want to watch you die!
Think about it. How do you think he knew about your family?
Trying to save his own ass.
What's up?
Jake, finished the job.
슬퍼할 틈도 없이 뮬러와의 싸움이 시작되고 뮬러를 처리한 채 램지를 쫓아갑니다. 순간 램지는 다른 차량과 부딪히게 되고
You can't kill me. You always hesitate.
그는 단번에 복수를 끝마치게 됩니다. 그렇게 모든 일이 끝난 후 또 다른 누군가 제이크를 찾아왔습니다.
Mr. Atherton. United States Attorney General Martin Savoy. I've had my eyes on you. And Colonel Mason.
Mason was working for you guys. For Section 8? Done?
Dusted? Did bring down Sam Ramsey, though. He was booted from the agency several years ago, selling our ambitions in dirty laundry. But there's still many more like him out there. Someone like you to track him down. How about a clean slate?
Sorry I couldn't be there to say goodbye in person. Gave your life for me. You took me in. I was as much a son to you as I was to my father. And I won't lose you too. So I'm gonna be going away for a long time. I love you, Uncle Earl.
Mr. Atherton.
Savoy, I found something to fight for.
Welcome to Section 9.
제이크의 새로운 삶을 시작으로 영화는 막을 내리게 됩니다. 오늘도 평화롭지 않은 어느 뒷골목.
Popyt skoczył 14,9%.
엄청난 돈을 쓸어담고 있는 한 마약 범죄 조직이 있었습니다. 다미안은 이 조직에 들어온 지 얼마 안 된 신참이었는데
To dla mnie towar? Dla ciebie, a co ty taki nerwowy jesteś? Dowiedziałem się, że mam kreta. Biera się na sportowo.
Szef myśli, że ja.
Damian Nowicki.
사실 그의 정체는 마약 전담반 소속의 경찰이었습니다. 조직의 보스를 붙잡는 데 성공했지만
Dowiedziałem się, gdzie mieszkasz. Twoja żona. Piękna kobieta.
곧바로 집으로 달려온 주인공이었으나 이미 안에는 싸늘한 주검이 되어 있었습니다.
Dobry państwu. Jasiek?
Znowu go nie ma?
To się już raczej nie martwi.
Panie Makowiecki, bo Jasik płynie.
전국에서도 꼴통으로 유명한 이 학교는 요즘 들어 약 문제가 더 심해졌고
Jego matka dzwoni.
심지어 야시에크가 사망했다는 소식까지 들려옵니다. 한편 다미안은 아내의 사망 이후 폐인처럼 살아가고 있었고 꼴통학교의 선생님이자 다미안의 절친인 시몬이 그에게 연락을 했죠.
Dobra, dziwnie to brzmi, ale dawno się nie widzieliśmy.
My tu mamy niezły Saigon. Musisz mi pomóc w czymś.
얼마 후 시몬을 만나러 온 다미안.
To nie była pierwsza ofiara w szkole.
Tylko wierzchołek góry lodowej. Właściwie się nie kryją. Macie w szkole gang? Pytanie tylko, kto im to dostarcza.
No, powiedz mi jedną rzecz, ty prowadzisz śledztwo?
No ale ty się znasz. Pójdziemy tam razem?
Ja nie mogę.
Chlaniem.
Jak ja mam ci pomóc, jak ja sobie nie potrafię pomóc?
다미안은 시몬의 부탁을 거절했지만 시몬은 혼자서라도 조사를 해야겠다 결심했고
Oddaj to. Co? Zła decyzja.
그 시각 혼자 조사 중이던 시몬.
Znalazła ciało domniemanego producenta fentanylu.
다음날 시몬은 약 제조범이라는 누명을 쓴 채 시체로 발견되었고
Do niedawna nauczyciel historii w liceum imienia Jana, jednego z jego uczniów, w wyniku której
이는 누가 봐도 범인들의 악행임이 분명했습니다.
Pan zmierza do domu Szymona M? Znaliście się?
Oni myślą, że Szymon, że to on.
Ja wiem.
Fajnie mieć tatusia dealera, co?
Zostaw go. Jego ojciec nie żyje.
결국 다미안은 시몬을 위해서라도 직접 조사해보기로 결심했고
To zadziała, tak?
Wtedy nie. Nie znasz mnie i nie widziałeś.
그는 시몬이 가르치던 역사 과목 교사로 학교에 지원했습니다.
Prawie pracy?
Tak, zgadza się.
Są wakaty w innych szkołach.
To pan? Już?
Chyba tak.
Niektórzy źle mówią o naszej szkole, no ale też bez przesady.
교장은 학교의 약 문제를 알고 있었지만 대수롭지 않게 이야기했고
Zatrudniłem ochronę, nie wiem czy pan słyszał. To pani wicedyrektor Agata Kierska. Pan Damian będzie uczył nas historii. Zacznie pan od jutra, wpiszemy w grafik.
다음날 학교에 온 그는 교감에게 안내를 받게 되고
Damian Nowicki, nasz nowy nauczyciel historii. Stefan, chodź, poznaj Damiana, wchodzi za Szymona.
Zobaczymy na niezapowiedzianej... ja nie wiem.
조금은 특이해 보이는 과학 선생님에 이어
piszą, że jesteśmy jednym z najgorszych liceów.
Do odebrania po lekcji.
그는 자신의 반 학생들과 인사를 나누게 됩니다.
Narkotyczny baron, jak ten poprzednik.
Na czym skończyliście z poprzednim nauczycielem? Halo, panowie, wszystko w porządku tam?
심지어 수업 시간에 3년 전 퇴학을 당한 학생이 있었고
Wyleciał z 3 lata temu.
Morda. Posiedzę sobie z wami chwilę.
W podskokach.
Masz się tu więcej nie pojawiać.
Dalej mogę?
그리고 그날 저녁
Pani profesor, czego pani szuka? Taka ładna polonistka sama o tej porze? Pa! Ty, pan od historii?
Ty zaraz będziesz historią.
Jak się tego nauczyłeś?
Taka pasja.
한편 퇴학생은 학교에 약을 퍼뜨리는 범죄 조직의 일원이었고 단독 행동을 한 그는 조직의 처벌을 받게 됩니다.
Zostało mi trochę towaru i myślę, że sprzedam, ej!
그리고 등장하는 이 조직의 행동대장. 그런데 그 정체는 학교의 경비를 책임지던 흐미일스키였고
Nie będę, obiecuję!
Będziesz przykładem dla innych. Rasa porządna.
다음날 학교로 출근한 다미안.
Ale urwał.
O, jest nasz bohater.
Panie Damianie?
Coś trzeba było robić, nie? Ładnie załatwiłeś. Kim ty w ogóle jesteś?
지하주차장 사건은 학생들에게도 퍼졌고
A może najpierw wytłumaczy nam pan to?
No właśnie, to jest jakieś karate?
Ile pompek pan robi?
Dobry wojownik czerpie ze wszystkich stylów. Wiesz, kto to powiedział?
Bruce Lee.
I po co ci to naparzanie się?
Żeby skopać tyłki tym, co zasługują.
Lepiej pokazać. Jak dasz radę, to nie będzie klasówki.
Jesteś gotowy? Nauczycie się jednak troszeczkę historii. Kamil.
Kamil, wrobili go, wiem o tym. Chcę to udowodnić.
A co, jak gdzie mój tata wrócił, to gdzie była twoja wina?
Jesteś taki sam jak on, wiesz o tym. Co ty to w ogóle robisz? Chcę udowodnić, że był niewinny. Nie może się dowiedzieć, po co tu jestem. Dobrze, pomożesz mi?
Ja mam ci pomóc, jak sobie nie potrafię pomóc.
퇴근길 그는 학생들의 약거래 현장을 목격하게 되는데
Szczęść! Bo wiesz, ja trzymam. Nie pasujesz do nich, masz coś, czego oni nie mają. Kogo mają towar i kto to produkuje.
하지만 학생들은 이미 겁에 질려 쉽게 정보를 내놓지 않았고 아직까지 어떤 단서도 찾을 수가 없었습니다.
Cześć Justyna. Kupujesz coś?
To i co do tego?
에밀리아라는 여학생은 친구가 약에 빠지는 것을 막으려 하는데
Justyna, proszę cię. Już musiała, tylko będziesz tego chciała.
Kilka. Jakiś problem? Przecież tutaj nikt nikogo do niczego nie zmusza.
Wpieprzacie ludzi w naukę.
Idź sobie pobiegaj, odpocznij sobie.
Nie dotykaj mnie.
이들의 악행에 카밀이 나서게 되는데
Kamilek? Ktoś jeszcze ma jakiś problem? Dawajcie śmiało!
잠시 후 다미안은 수업 시간에 카밀의 얼굴을 보게 되죠.
No to powiedzcie mi, co się stało.
Nie ma o czym mówić.
Kamil.
Potknąłem się.
Dowiem się, co się stało.
Panu to łatwo mówić, a potem my dostajemy.
Jak myślicie, co jesteście? To musicie przestać tak o sobie myśleć. Muszą wiedzieć, że się ich nie boicie.
Są silniejsi?
Lepiej przygotowani. Dostosujcie się.
Jak kwota. A może pan nam jakoś z tym pomóc?
Dobrze, ale pod jednym warunkiem.
I to jest całe wasze to niby dodzia?
다미안은 이곳에서 학생들을 훈련시키기로 결심했고
I co, wyremontujemy gang Jarka na śmierć?
Nikt nikogo na siłę nie trzyma.
Potencjał jest. Kiedy zaczynamy?
In fact, time I rise above, cause when the view, cause there ain't nothing that can.
그는 아이들의 훈련뿐만 아니라 약을 찾아내 경찰들에게 넘기는 일까지 함께 진행했습니다. 하지만 조직도 이대로 당하고 있을 수만은 없었죠.
Mamy pecha do typów od historii. Psuje robotę. Wyjebał towar i wezwał psy. Bardzo dużo hajsu.
Zobaczenia, cześć. Dobry trening.
그리고 그들이 행동하기까지는 오랜 시간이 걸리지 않았습니다. 그렇게 조직에 보낸 자들을 모두 처리해버린 다미안.
Wypadek pod prysznicem. Ominęła cię impreza.
Nowicki nieźle wygląda.
To nie jest zwykły nauczyciel.
조직은 힘으로는 안 되자 다른 전략을 생각해내는데
Dzień dobry.
이들은 에밀리아의 아버지를 찾아왔고
Wyjdźcie. Przez was, Emilka, ćpała to gówno. Bo zadzwonię po policję.
Tato, poczekaj. Ja z nimi pogadam. Czego chcesz?
Kochasz tatusia? To
Teraz słuchaj.
다음날 평소와 같이 출근한 다미안은 주변에 불편한 시선을 느꼈고
Damian, Emilia właśnie nam zgłosiła. Wystawałeś ją, kiedy byliście sam na sam w tym waszym...
Emilia.
Ty pchałeś te swoje łapy.
Będziesz musiała opuścić budynek i muszę cię zawieźć.
Ja tego tak nie zostawię.
Zaufałem ci! Zaufałem ci, rozumiesz?
Gadaj, w tym jesteś dobry.
Ja, panie profesorze.
Widzenia to dla pana.
그날 저녁 다미안은 에밀리아를 찾아왔죠.
Fajnie, co?
Musiałam. I powiedzieli, że zabiją mojego starego.
No. I tak.
용서할 수 없는 악행의 반복. 그는 본격적으로 조직을 부숴버리기 위해 움직이기 시작합니다.
Dzień dobry, profesorku. Przyszedłeś poprawić? Najlepsze zajęcia w piątek wieczór. Pracowałeś u Chmielskiego, skąd narkotyki biorą się w szkole. Popatrz. Widzisz te oczy? Zaszczutego zwierzęcia. Chcesz być ofiarą do końca życia. Skąd narkotyki trafiają do szkoły? One tam nie trafiają.
그는 약을 학교에서 제조한다는 사실을 알게 되고 그는 과학 선생이 약을 제조하고 있는 사실을 알게 되죠. 이어 약을 실은 차를 쫓아가 보려 했고 그는 이 사실을 교장과 교감에게 알렸고
Narkotyki powstają w szkole i Dziorek je produkuje. Gang współpracuje z tą firmą cateringową. Dlatego ci powiedziałem, że nie mam dowodów i przychodzę do ciebie, a nie na policję.
Muszę poprosić Stefana Jeziorka i pan Nowicki twierdzi, że z gangiem przy produkcji mówi, że widział, jak transportujecie...
Byłeś to dzisiaj w nocy, widziałem cię.
Bo musiałem.
Pomagałem panu Jeziorkowi. Byliśmy przy tym. Trochę cię poniosło. No.
하지만 경비들이 과학교사를 감싸며 결백을 주장했고
Spokój!
결국 이들의 범죄를 증명할 수가 없었습니다. 무언가 이상함을 느낀 교감이 에밀리아를 찾아왔고
Córeczko, masz gościa.
Tak mi wstyd.
에밀리아는 교감에게 진실을 털어놓습니다. 한편 다미안은 그날 밤에 CCTV를 확인해 보는데 CCTV 또한 모두 조작이 되어 있었죠.
On cię prosił o pomoc, a ty mu odmówiłeś.
잠시 후 그를 찾아온 것은 교감이었고
Monitoring ze szkoły?
Tak, ale przemontowali.
Co robiłeś, zanim do nas trafiłeś?
Byłem psem. Rozpracowywałem gang narkotykowy. Jechałem do niej, ale nie zdążyłem. I co z tego, skoro są inni? Jest Chmielski z Idziorkiem. Zatrudniłem się, żeby udowodnić, kto co zrobił. A po tym, w jaki sposób mnie wyrzucili, i tak nikt mnie już nie zabił.
다미안의 이야기를 들은 교감은 그를 돕기로 했고
Ja tylko go gotuję.
흐미일스키는 입막음을 위해 과학교사를 처리해버렸고
Stefan był z nami od lat. Świetny pedał. Gdybym mógł w czymś pomóc.
Dziękuję.
Czas już, żeby opróżnić.
Przepraszam, dyrektor ma gościa.
Emilka, cześć.
Chciałabym poprosić, żeby... Bo ja skłamałam. Damian mnie nawet nie dotknął. Przyszli tam do mojego ojca, zagrozili mu.
Usiądź, proszę.
한편 시몬의 사물함을 정리하던 교감은 무언가를 발견하게 되는데
Emiliana mu wszystkim powiedziała. Rozpieprzyliśmy to.
Halo?
Co jest?
Miała krwotok wewnętrzny.
그런데 잠시 후 에밀리아는 다친 채 입원해 있었고
Damian, musimy pogadać. Musimy znaleźć towar w magazynie.
Znaleźć towar w magazynie.
Znalazłam to w szafce Szymona.
Produkty mleczne.
시몬의 노트에서 약을 숨겨둔 위치를 발견할 수 있었고
Długo będziemy czekać?
O nie, proszę!
Idę z tobą.
교감도 합류하며 이들은 보관 창고로 향했고
Odradzam.
그리고 이 조직의 진짜 흑막이 나타나는데
Będę musiał zatrudnić nową polonistkę.
그 정체는 바로 교장이었죠.
Notatnik Szymona.
Ja kiedyś naprawdę próbowałem. I co? I gówno nie wyszło. A dlaczego? No to dostali taką szkołę, jakiej chcieli.
Zniszczę cię, wiesz?
Szymon dokładnie powiedział. Nawet pamiątki po nim noszę. Ale to nic. Na was już czas. Nie. A ty kurwa kto?
그때 나타난 다미안의 제자들.
Za Emilię, śmieciu.
학생들의 선전 덕분에 다미안은 흐미엘스키를 쫓을 수 있었고
Nie wytrzymał napięcia.
하지만 아직 교장을 붙잡지 못한 상황.
Przecież to przez ciebie dziewczyna jest w śpiączce! Chcesz teraz ratować? Cofnij się!
Dobrze to zrobiłam? Widziałeś?
잠시 후 경찰들이 나타났고
Ale no ty też.
Myślę, że chciałby, żebyś go miał.
이렇게 참교육을 끝으로 영화는 마무리됩니다. 미국 로스앤젤레스의 어느 야심한 밤 차 안에서는 격렬한 싸움이 이어지고 있었고
You don't remember me, do you?
Fuck you! Fuck!
가볍게 어느 남자를 제압해버린 한 여성. 그녀에게는 과연 어떤 사연이 있는 것일까요?
Jose, she's here.
게다가 그녀는 어느 빈민가의 봉고차에서 생활하고 있었는데
Don't leave.
사건의 발달은 지금으로부터 5년 전이었습니다.
This parking lot is where we set up. Showed up to a den mother meeting, you would know these. Some of us have to work at the next den mother meeting.
You do that.
Come on, Penelope.
What an asshole. You should have punched your lights out.
Can't go around punching people who are jerks, then you're just as bad as they are. You know how amazing you are.
라일리에게는 사랑하는 딸과 남편이 있었고
Hey, Squirt. Can you handle 30 minutes on your own? Love you. Love you. Bye, guys.
그런데 남편은 잠시 후 친구에게서 뜻밖의 제안을 받게 되고
Nobody knows. Nobody will know. All you gotta do is drive. You wanna get Riley a house, right? Good school for Carly.
일확천금을 벌 수 있다는 말에 조금은 갈등했으나
Nikki, not here right now. Please leave a message.
I'm out. All right? Listen, I'm sorry. Give me a call when you get there.
Carnival!
So excited.
Found the other one.
그러나 이미 어둠의 그림자가 짙어오고 있었죠.
Tailing the other guy. What do you want me to do?
Make an example. Mickey, that's what you want?
사실 미키가 제안했던 일은 마피아와 엮인 일이었고 이러한 사실은 모른 채 행복한 시간을 보내고 있던 라일리의 가족들.
I'll grab napkin. Okay.
그녀는 한순간에 눈앞에서 사랑하는 가족들을 잃어버리고 말았죠. 그리고 이 사건을 맡게 된 한 형사가 있었고
You need to get your gang face on. You got a job here, right?
Gunshot may have missed her brain, but the cerebral swelling.
North. My name is Detective Stan Carmichael.
Detective.
We have 3 suspects in custody who we otherwise will have to release. I think that what happened may be linked to your husband.
He wouldn't do that.
Your husband did refuse to go along with it. We know everything, but can't prove anything. Get some rest, Mrs. North. I'll come back. Thought you might want to have this.
I saw them.
라일리는 범인들의 얼굴을 기억하고 있었고
Number 5.
Take him out next, huh?
Number 3. That's him. 4.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
하지만 사건은 쉽게만 흘러가지 않았으니
Tell me what that is. On the last cop who went after Diego Garcia.
Garcia has people on the inside.
마피아의 보스 가르시아의 힘은 생각보다 더 강력했죠.
Whatever happens with this case, let it happen. You'll only get dead and it won't change it.
얼마 후 회복을 마치고 집으로 돌아온 라일리.
Oh, Mrs. North.
Who are you?
I'm a friend. Do you want to have a seat? Only imagine how awful all of this has been.
무언가 눈치를 보는 듯 보이는 남자.
The recognition that is gut-wrenching. Nothing's gonna bring your family back. Eventually, maybe not right away, but eventually it'll be time. And alive.
What is this? I think it's time for you to leave.
Maybe you've made a mistake. Maybe you didn't see things the way you thought you saw. That you're gonna have justice.
Fuck out!
그의 정체는 마피아 측의 변호사였고
Did you see them get out of the car?
No.
And yet you identified my clients as the alleged shooters.
재판은 판사부터 검사까지 모두 조직에 매수되어 있었죠.
On any antipsychotic medication. After a month in a coma and a mental breakdown and under...
But you're not hearing me. Can you help me out?
That the state has met its burden of proof.
그야말로 말도 안 되는 재판 결과가 나와버렸고
This guy showed up in my house. Get away from me!
I'm remanding you to a mental health treatment program.
심지어 정신병원에 입원하게 될 판이었는데
Where's she going?
County General, psycho.
그렇게 그녀는 완전히 잠적해버렸습니다.
She'll turn up. One way or another, they always do.
Carmichael 3877, gang homicide. Oh, that's new.
이미 새 범인에 대한 심판을 끝낸 라일리. 이번 사건은 FBI에게도 전해지고
San Bernardino a couple of nights ago. It was a woman. They got a partial frame of the suspect's face. Your name popped up on the case file, so I...
You may be thinking what I'm thinking. Carmichael, the FBI wants to talk to us.
Feds.
경찰은 이미 이번 사건의 범인이 라일리임을 직감했고
Didn't she smack you in the head 5 years ago? The night Riley North got away, stole $55,000 from the bank where she got my attention.
How many times did you betray your oath?
그 시각 라일리는 재판관에게 심판을 내리고 있었고
If you can tell me my name, I'll let you live. Remember my name.
Interpol tagged her 4 months later. Some we can almost substantiate, some we can't.
Then we found this on YouTube.
That's Riley North.
Herself in Europe last year. We do know is that she arrived in LA 3 months ago.
She only took military grade. She knew exactly what she was looking
She's back. Do you know what the date is today? 5-year anniversary of her family's murder.
Wrapped around you is debt cord. Explosive corrupt judges. Watching someone take everything from you, all you're ever gonna have, just gone. There is nothing you can do about it.
What? The DA and attorney at that hearing 5 years ago?
Yeah.
라일리는 이미 어젯밤 검사와 변호사도 모두 처리해두었죠.
Some sort of explosion at his house.
Gotta go wide with this. APB, the media, the whole...
라일리의 화려한 복귀는 마피아들에게도 전해졌고
What?
She got a judge and a lawyer we paid off.
What the fuck was this? Like 5 years ago. Put a paycheck on it. Call it a day.
라일리 또한 다음 타겟을 마피아로 잡아두었죠.
fucking crazy. Decided to tell her everything. The whole damn operation. Impressed by how fucking stupid you are.
It's just these were some extenuating.
Shut the fuck up!
Put that bitch in a box before sunset.
Riley North. Riley North's husband and daughter were gunned down in a drive-by shooting.
See shit, so we got that going for us. Infrastructure to launder his cash. Every camera, faces all over the news.
한편 정보를 유출했던 마피아 직원은 본보기가 되었고
What's she gonna hit next?
Marvin told her about the lab.
And maybe she's expecting us to send everybody to the lab.
이들의 예상대로 라일리의 다음 목적지는 공장이었고 그녀는 다음 작전을 준비하고 있었죠.
Tracks reported crime in real time.
A few weeks, are there any areas that stand out? Maybe I can locate where she's been staying, the base of operations, find her that.
No sector or neighborhood stands out. Oh, you want to see something really interesting? Social media is lit up with support for it.
라일리의 사연을 알게 된 대중들은 오히려 그녀를 응원했고
Skid Row?
Why does it look safer than Bel Air?
That's odd.
이들은 빈민가임에도 범죄율이 낮은 지역을 발견하게 되죠.
You see anything?
그런데 창고엔 이미 마피아들이 함정을 설치해 두었고
She's in. Hit the remote.
Shit. What's that? Fire industrial warehouse downtown.
Is it her again?
I'll check it out.
하지만 함정을 파악했던 라일리는 이미 피신에 성공했고
Wait, what the? Come on!
그녀는 곧바로 마피아들을 뒤쫓습니다.
That's them. What's the word?
Hey, boss, we smoked her ass. Trust me, she's gone.
Calling some shots pretty soon.
Thank you, boss.
한편 FBI 수사관은 범죄율이 낮았던 빈민가에 왔고
Lost.
I'm looking for someone. Isn't it dangerous at night for the kids?
We got an angel now.
It's them. Open it.
드디어 보스가 있는 본거지에 잠입하는 데 성공했죠.
Hey, with the boss.
Fucking move!
What do you want?
Justice.
잠깐의 망설임 때문에 보스를 놓쳐버렸고
Boss!
일단은 탈출하는 것이 우선이었죠. 그런데 중요한 현장에 카마이클 형사가 보이지 않았는데
You seen Carmichael anywhere? I can't get him on the phone. You see him, tell him to call me.
그가 향한 곳은 바로 빈민가였습니다.
Where's your backup? What took you so long? Look what I found. Unlocked with an arsenal in the box. It's not some software glitch that makes this area low crime. It is low crime. Obviously, you've been watching Garcia's operation for weeks.
Garcia has someone tipping him from the inside.
Yeah. What?
I'm sorry.
사실 카마이클은 마피아와 협력하는 부패 경찰이었고
I know where to find her.
그는 라일리가 이 근처에 있음을 마피아에게 알리죠.
This shit ends tonight. Understood?
기력이 다한 라일리는 빈민가의 어느 건물에서 휴식 중이었고
Vamos. Let's get the motherfucker. If she's here, we'll find her.
Warehouse. West of the alley.
Whoa, come on.
Did you find her?
Going in now. Holy shit.
Ted, so we heard gunshots. Did you get her?
Listen to me.
Get out of here. Go one of you. Your choice.
I can hear the pain in your voice. How you really think this is gonna go?
I'll see you soon.
She's not answering me either.
Shit, we gotta find her.
그 시각 수사팀은 여자 수사관이 사라진 것을 눈치챘고 라일리는 핸드폰으로 더 생방송을 진행합니다.
Look, that guy is a dirty cop. The man who killed my entire family. You want to come and take videos? Come on down. Not going anywhere. Come and get me.
Riley? Let's go, let's go!
마피아는 이 사실도 모른 채 빈민가의 아이를 잡아 협박했고
Hey, soon to beat that bitch. Maria here, she's about to die. I'm gonna count to 5, then I'm gonna blow her fucking head off.
I'm coming. I'm coming. Here I am. Let her go.
Get out of here, come on.
Just go. Get safe. Are you scared of me? Coward. You want to get your hand dirty, huh?
Toying with you, Stalin. Just
Shut
get
the
it
fuck
over
up!
with.
You hit like a girl.
Make it fun for me.
You should have listened to Carmichael.
경찰들이 나타나자 마피아들은 모두 도망쳤고 라일리는 마피아 보스를 쫓기 시작하죠.
Riley North! We'll take care of it! Drop the gun! Don't do it! I'm begging you!
You spend more time in prison than me.
We're not going to prison.
라일리는 마피아 보스를 사살한 채 사라져버렸고
Ship, airship, what do you see? You got eyes on anything?
Just let me die.
I can't do that.
It is for me.
Need an RA! Now!
Common criminal, or all of the above. Clarified just an hour ago by Chief Matthew Rogers.
And she will stand trial for multiple counts of homicide.
Grab yourself a cup of coffee. Hi, Riley. How you feeling? A lot of very bad. Sit down. The massive. There's not a cop I know. Let's just say some of us wish things didn't have to be this way. Hope you get better soon.
여기까지 영화 I Am Mother였습니다.